Hello, Marilyn Harper here. I would like to talk with you a little bit today about holographic healing private sessions. Now, if you hear music going on in the background, that is Randy Luna's Soul Sound Activations, which you can find in our store. And quite honestly, I listen to them half the day. At least I just scroll through all 52 recordings. It's just amazing. But that's not what we're here to talk about. What we're here today to talk about is holographic healing. And I have to say that I have done the techniques for holographic healing since 1996 or 7 when I was attuned to Reiki level 1 and 2. And that was when I realized that I had the ability to really look into people's bodies and see what is out of balance, and then through visualized energy have the ability to put it back into a form of balance. I mean, it was surprising to me then. I think one of the first sessions I did was somebody that had really trouble digesting any food. And when I looked into her digestive system, I didn't even realize at the moment that I was looking into her digestive system. But when I did, I saw these knots of rope. Well, I knew that there weren't knots of ropes in there, but we visualized untying those knots and relaxing all of her abdominal muscles. And then we went into her childhood and saw where she'd had trouble with family situations while they all sat down to dinner and things like that. And that started me off on this path. I actually taught a 7-week course once a week to my friends called Interdimensional Healing. And it had amazing results. People that from that course came out and were shamans, were channels, were healing practitioners. It was amazing. And honestly, at that moment, I don't know that I really knew what I was doing, except we sat for 30 or 40 minutes and just received a download of information and from the universe. And so that's how this all began. Over the past 20 some years, I have perfected the ability and now know what I'm doing and have studied the human anatomy and have connected with all kinds of people and misalignments. I call it misalignments because I don't want to call it disease. Misalignments where, maybe the doctor told you that you needed to have a knee replacement surgery, and I've worked with people to actually rebuild the cartilage in their knee, or they're supposed to have back surgery and we rebuilt the discs in their back, or they had macular degeneration diagnosis. And I had one lady that she couldn't even see her cell phone to text me, and when we got done with her sessions, she was driving. The holographic healing goes through your own Akash. It goes through a visualized energy. It goes through the frequency of placing your physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual bodies back into a place of alignment. You may know that I now teach this to others because I just got so busy doing private sessions that I didn't really have time to do anything else. Well, I have been guided, nudged by Adironda, the spokesbeing for the council that I channel, to start offering private sessions for at least the next couple of months. So that's what I'm doing. I try my best to follow the guidance, even though I don't always accomplish it. So I am offering holographic healing sessions, private sessions. We teach holographic healing and have a coaching session once a month, but I offer private sessions with me. And then if you want further sessions, we can recommend you to one of the holographic healers, or if we have time, I will do them myself. Now, to start this process, there's a little 15-minute complimentary session where I just kind of see what the ailment is, check in with it, see if I can help. And if I can't help, I can recommend someone who I believe can, or see if it might work for you. So the holographic healing sessions usually last about an hour. There may be multiple sessions, but that's why on multiple sessions we do give a discount. And, you know, it is something that I can't even, I can tell you how it works. It's based on the premise of Dr. Emoto's work, Messages from the Water, where he proved that water responds to human emotion. And, I figured, well, if water responds to human emotion, so does the human body. I mean, how much part of the body is water? And so that's where we started. And now I've worked with people with cancer and brain tumors and all different types of ailments, neuropathy, um, tumors in their uterus, all different kinds of things. So with that, if you're interested in finding out more information or to see if holographic healing might help you in any way, shape, or form, just fill out the little form on this page that says you time period for a 15-minute qualification, not qualification really, 15-minute fact-finding session. How's that? A fact-finding session with me, and we'll see where we go from there. Okie dokie. Anyway, namaste, y'all. Namaste.